Since its original introduction in 1969, about 1 million rockets have been fired by Harriers against ground targets, though these are relatively primitive aircraft, calling for a high degree of pilot skill and unable to fly except in visual day conditions. The Harrier G3 does, however, have a laser ranger in a thimble-shaped nose, which assists in accurate delivery of all kinds of ordnance against ground targets. This is the more up-to-date Harrier II, now entering Royal Air Force service. This second-generation jump jet is seen here loaded with 7 BL-755 cluster bombs, each of which can blanket a huge area with high explosive. Compared with the original Harrier, this new version can fly twice as far or carry double the warload. Apart from this, it has a new cockpit and totally upgraded avionics, making the aircraft easier and safer to fly and far better able to deliver ordnance accurately in all weathers. Today, special night attack versions are also in production. Here, a Harrier II comes in for a rolling landing. Eventually, most air forces will realize that without jet lift, no warplane can survive in actual warfare. The first and most important user of the Harrier II is the U.S. Marine Corps, whose aircraft are camouflaged dark green and pale gray. Here, AV-8Bs are operating from the Lyman Road exercise area near Cherry Point. This is the kind of hidden base that would enable Harriers to deploy away from vulnerable airfields in any major war. With super visibility through the huge canopy, there are no taxiing problems, and the tricky flight handling of the original Harrier has vanished. The uprated Rolls-Royce Pegasus Victor thrust engine gives more power, and its digital electronic controls are another big bonus. Marine Corps squadrons operate from both ships and shore bases, and during exercises concentrate on diving attacks on surface targets using the Hughes angle rate bombing system for the accurate firing of unguided rockets. The same bombing system can also be used for the release of unguided ion bombs, such as these Snake Eyes, fitted with retarders. Weapons are delivered with great accuracy. Usually, each mission ends with a short rolling landing, but the aircraft could be put down vertically. In 1975, this first-generation Harrier was developed into the Sea Harrier, a much more versatile and better-equipped machine, seen here making ski jump takeoffs from a ship of the Invincible type. Sea Harriers proved their worth in the Falklands campaign, where they demonstrated their capability in the fighter reconnaissance and ground attack roles. Sea Eagle is the bigger weapon normally carried. It can knock out a ship, even one as big as this obsolete County-class cruiser.